All right, to complete this assignment, you will use the draw function in PowerPoint. So it's up here at the very top, and you'll pick a pen, a highlighter. It doesn't matter what you pick. You probably will want to choose a color other than black so that it can be seen. On this example, x is greater than 2. I know that since there is no equal sign, my circle on my graph is going to be open, and I know that it is going to be greater than 2, so I'm going to circle the 2, and then since it's greater, my arrow is going to go to the right. And that is how you would complete that problem. To complete your assignment on the next page, you are going to name what the graph is. This graph, if I draw my line, it's about halfway between 2 and 4. So my x is at 3. Since it is a closed circle, it will have an equal bar. And since it is going to the right, I'll have the greater than symbol. And that is how you complete that page. Once you're finished with all of them, submit your assignment so that I can grade it.